Hey there, folks. Today, I want to talk about something that might hit close to home for many of us. You know that moment when you decide to clean out your medicine cabinet, and you find a bunch of old, forgotten medications? Well, it turns out, some of those common medicines might need a second opinion. Let's dive into this and uncover why it's time to rethink what we keep in our medicine cabinets. Imagine this: you're doing your annual spring cleaning, and you stumble upon a mini pharmacy in your bathroom. Half-used bottles, expired pills, and even some ancient prescriptions you forgot about. It's like a time capsule of past ailments. But here's the thing: some of these medications might not be as harmless as we think. As a doctor, I often advise patients to re-evaluate their over-the-counter, OTC, medication choices. You see, just because a drug is easily accessible doesn't mean it's always the best option. In fact, there are a few common ones that I believe should be given a critical eye. What makes this interesting is that these aren't just random medicines, they're the staples, the ones we reach for without a second thought. For instance, let's talk about sinus medication. You know, the kind you grab when seasonal allergies or a nasty cold hit. While it provides temporary relief, many people don't realize that overuse can lead to a host of issues. Personally, I've seen patients become reliant on these medications, creating a cycle of congestion and dependency. It's a classic case of a quick fix potentially turning into a long-term problem. Another item on my list is leftover prescription medication. Now, this is a tricky one. We often hold on to these just in case, but the truth is, they can expire or become less effective over time. What many people don't realize is that keeping old prescriptions can lead to accidental misuse or even contribute to the growing issue of drug resistance. It's a small detail, but it highlights a bigger problem in how we manage our medications. This brings up a deeper question: are we too quick to self-medicate without seeking professional advice? In my opinion, it's a fine balance. While OTC medications are convenient, they shouldn't replace medical consultations. If you're dealing with recurring issues, it's always better to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide tailored advice and ensure you're not masking a more serious problem. What this really suggests is that our medicine cabinets could use a makeover. It's about being mindful of what we keep and why. Instead of stockpiling remedies, we should focus on understanding our health needs and making informed choices. This shift in perspective can lead to better health management and potentially reduce the risks associated with over-reliance on certain medications. In conclusion, that medicine cabinet cleanout is not just about tidying up, it's an opportunity to re-evaluate our approach to healthcare. It's a chance to ask questions, seek advice, and make conscious decisions about our well-being. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for that familiar bottle, take a moment to reflect: is this the best option? Or is it time for a change?